Uh-huh.
Somebody made a mess. Don't worry, she will help. Here she is, so yes. All this officer is on the way. All this officer will save the
Oh.
day. Who made all this mess around? No, no, you're up to no good. I love to tickle.
Wow.
Tickle, tickle, tickle.
Soapy
Tick,
water.
Tick, 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 tick. Ha, 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 ha. I am the tickle girl, and I love to tickle. Ticky, 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 tick. Ha, 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 ha. Come here, I'll catch you, and I want to tickle you. Tickling is funny, so here we go. Tick, 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 tick.
Fantastic. Yeah.
I like pink.
Fantastic.
I like blue.
Fun.
Pink, pink, pink. Blue, blue, blue. Everything
Wow.
I like is pink.
Heart.
And everything I like is blue.
Woo-hoo-hoo. Flower.
You ruined my pink. Oh no,
Burger.
no. What can I do?
Woohoo. Doll.
Ding, ding, dong. Bibbidi
Yeah.
Fixing your color. Here we go.
Fantastic.
You.
Aww. Aha.
What is this cool pattern? I wonder what it does. I think it can do magic. Let's check it out. Wow, I love it. Time to use it now. Mama, mama, magic control
Chocolate.
from a different world.
Yeah. Whoa.
Mama, magic control.
Woo-hoo-hoo.
Things can go my way. I can.
Heyo. Wow. Woo-hoo-hoo. Oh no. Oh. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Heyo. Giraffe.
Excellent.
Shark.
Whoa.
Bear. Hello. Turtle. Ha. Tiger. Wow. Fish. Yeah. Fantastic. Yes. Aha.
Humpty Dumpty, you're so cute. Humpty Dumpty, peekaboo. Humpty Dumpty, jumping around up really high and on the ground. Bouncing, bouncing everywhere. I will catch you in the air. Funny egg is breaking the store, making
Aha.
a mess everywhere he goes. Humpty Dumpty.
Wow.
Humpty
Oh
Someone
no.
is misbehaving.
Uh-huh.
Somebody made a mess. Don't worry, she will help. Here she is, so yes. All this officer is on the way. All this officer will save the
Oh.
day. Who made all this mess around? No, no, you're up to no good.
Ew.
Oh no, nerd. We are a team. We'll help you, don't worry. We never stop. We always have a goal. Working together is the best. Princess fingers will fix this mess. Always ready, come on, come on. Beautiful flower.
Any of the shapes you like, but I'm going to show you how to make our friend square. First, take a ball of air drying clay and use your hands to push it down and flatten it. Then use a lollipop stick and cut into the clay to make the straight edges of your shape. Now take a pencil and very carefully push it into the bottom of the shape. Let it dry, and once it's dry, paint your shape any colour you like. This one is blue because I'm making square. Draw on a smile, stick on 2 googly eyes and pop your pencil back in. It's ready!
I'm a shape!